Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something new. So I have a gorgeous piece to show you all today. This wig was provided by TressAllure Wigs for this review today, and I'm so grateful to them for doing that. This wig is called Feathered Bob, and the color on her is 10R. And feathered, layered, those are all great names to describe this really pretty style. She has these gorgeous layers, but the nice thing is the layering doesn't begin until you're about midway down, so you don't have choppy layers on the top or anything like that. She's low density, she's a mono top with a lace front, and so just a really, really pretty style. And at the end of the video, I will show you just how much fun she is to put up in updos and ponies and things like that. She has a ton of styling options, which I really love. So let me do a turn and then I'll get started giving you all of her specifications and everything. So here she is from the front. Really, really pretty. As you can see, those layers, they're just gorgeous. You can push them back off your shoulders if they're too much, or pull them back up and just let them lay. You know, she looks very natural, very pretty. Okay, so here's my right side. Really pretty. You can see those layers sweep towards the face if that's how you want them, or again, you can throw them back. They flip up in the back. Just gorgeous movement on this piece. Here's the back. She's not super long, she's just a great mid-length. Very easy to manage length, which is nice. Here's my left side. Again, I'll just toss the layers around for you. Very, very pretty. Okay, so as far as her measurements are concerned, she has a 4-inch to 10-inch length in her, so various layers all over the wig. So the fringe here in the front is where your 4-inch layer comes in. She's got a 4-inch to 5.5-inch fringe, so you can see that, you know, tapers into a little bit longer layer. But with that 4-inch, you know, for me, that's still going to be in my eyes. So if you're a person, I just like it side swept personally, but if you're a person who wants to cut a bang, you could easily cut a bang. These are heat-friendly fibers. They're very, very easy to work with, so they would be very safe for you to trim and then, you know, get those bangs in place for you. So really, really nice. Okay, her other measurements are from the crown, 8.5 to 10.5 inches. So again, you can see that layering, but it's not beginning until 8.5 inches, so it's nice. Still keeps her low density on the top and everything, so very nice. Just gives her great movement, like I said. So pretty. And then from the nape back here, she is 9 inches, which is really, really nice. So just enough length to have fun with her, play with her, do a lot of different things with her. So very, very nice. And then weight-wise, she is 3.88 ounces, so very lightweight, very light, wispy, very pretty. Okay, let me pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, interior cap construction for Feathered Bob by TressAllure. So here you can see she's got this gorgeous mono top. It's just a single mono, which is really nice. As you can see my fingernail in there. She has plenty of hair on there, but she also has a great parting space. I'll show you that when I put her back on. So here's her lace front. Lace front extends down onto the ear tabs, which is very nice. Her ear tabs are made of soft felt and they have a good sized piece of metal in there. She also has a lot of hair attached to the ear tabs, allowing you to style her off the face very easily. She has Velcro adjusters, which are great. Open wefting all through the cap. Extended felt nape, very comfortable. Just really, really pretty. So let me turn her inside out, or right side out, I guess I should say. And I want to show you this parting space with it being off my head, because this is what I'm talking about. See how nice that is? So plenty of hair up there. You're not going to have, it's not sparse or anything, but very, very nice. Nice lace front. Looks really, really good. Okay, I'll pop her back on and we can look at the lace front and everything back on my head. Okay, let me show you her lace front, ear tabs, and all that good stuff. So this is what I'm talking about. Lace front looks really, really nice. The knotting is very nice. This is a great light brunette. It's a light medium brown. So, you know, but the knotting is very fine. So, you know, I think the lace front looks great. This is what I'm talking about with this mono part. I mean, it's just, it looks so realistic. And with the mono top, of course, it goes all the way back to the crown, which is so nice. Really, really nice. Okay, her ear tabs. So this is an average cap, so I've got good coverage around, you know, my face. The cap is slightly big on me back here because I'm petite, but certainly not anything that's a deal breaker or anything. Something I'm very used to, having a petite head with average caps, you know. So, but great coverage for the ear tabs. Like I said, there's a good piece of metal in there. I don't have, the cap is not impinging on the back of my ear or anything like that, so looks really, really nice. Show you that. So there's where the cap is. It's just right behind my ear, but it's not, you know, pushing on my ear. So I think for a petite head she would work, but she also has plenty of room if you do have a larger head. These are, you know, she's clearly an average. You can see there's a lot of extra cap there. So, you know, comfortable for me, but also would work great for average and above. So I love that. Really, really nice. Okay, so this color is 10R, which is a light medium brown is the description of the color. So very, very pretty, very natural looking brunette. I really like a lighter brunette like this. It's not too harsh with my skin tone or anything like that. Just a really, really pretty color. No highlighting or anything like that. Just a single color. They do describe their coloring process as a blend of a whole bunch of colors together. So, but the number for this one is 10. Very pretty. And of course she does come in highlighted shades and things like that too. She's pretty. I can't wait to show you all the styling. So excited about that part. Okay, let's take her outside though first, and we will look at 10R outside in the natural light. Okay, so outside with this feathered bob in the color 10R. Beautiful brunette. You can see there's definitely some dimension to the color out here in the natural light. That's why I like to bring them outside. You can really see the true color. Okay, here's her lace front. Mono part. Okay, let's talk about styling on feathered bob. This is the part I've been waiting for. So first, I didn't mention with the ear tabs, but she is extremely ear tuckable. Really easy. Love her density. So, glasses are a breeze, no problem. You can put them up on your head. She's very light. I really love the density and the cut on this wig. Even though she's longer and synthetic, I think she's going to be just fine for summer. But really easy with the glasses, no problem. Okay, so styling options. What can't you do with this girl? So this is what I love about a long wig that has layers. So first off, we'll just do our simple headband. Super cute. So pretty that looks. You could also tie a scarf in her. That would be really pretty. Really pretty. The thing I love about a long wig like this, now of course you can do, you know, your clipping back and all that easy stuff. So, but she is gorgeous. First off, we'll do a half up, half down. I just have a claw clip. Put a simple claw clip back there. It's not even a lot of hair that I have in that claw clip, so it doesn't feel bulky at all. So pretty. And you can also pull down some of these layers. Just make it look soft around your face. So pretty. Okay, so that's half up. Let's go all the way up. All right. So what I'm gonna do is just gather layers here. She has an extended nape, which is awesome. Love that. Amazing and awesome. Okay, so the only thing you want to do when you do put a wig up is you just want to make sure that you smash down that extended nape so that it is up against your neck. You can even put a little piece of tape there if you feel like you need to. So here she is in a pony. Very pretty. But I am excited about her in a twist. So I've just twisted the hair. I have this flat clip. I really like these because when I'm driving in my car, sometimes if I have a wig up, if I have one of these ones like this that sticks out, I constantly hit my car seat. So these are really nice, flat. I think these are made by Goody, so easy to find at the grocery store. Hopefully I can get this in without a mirror. Okay, then I just like to fan her out a little bit, and you can pull these layers down. I didn't quite get all the layers in there, but it's hard to do on camera without a mirror. But very pretty. The back looks really, really pretty. So nice, so soft, so romantic. I just love it. And comfortable. You know, sometimes in the summer I like to wear a longer wig and one that I can put up like this. This wig though is so easy to put up. That's what I love with these layers. And then you can just play with the layers and do different things with the layers, you know. Pull them out, keep them in, however you want to do it. Really, really pretty. Another thing that is super cute with her is she is low density enough that she is super cute with a hat. This is actually a hat that I stole from my son. He wasn't wearing it anymore. He wore it when he was younger, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's adorable. So really, really cute though. You could also put her in a pony, you know, a low pony with a hat. That would be cute. Just lots and lots of styling options with her. So, you know, and of course, you've got this extended lace front. So you can just pull up that whole front if you want to. Looks really, really nice. She's beautiful. I'm super happy with her. Just so cute. So again, I want to thank TressAllure for sending me this wig to review for you all today. You can find her at your favorite retailer. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.